Here's a detailed recipe for frying fish that yields a crispy exterior and a tender interior. Hash ingredients. 4 fish fillets. Any white fish works well, such as cod, tilapia, or mahi-mahi. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Optional. 2 eggs, 1 cup panko breadcrumbs, vegetable oil for frying, lemon wedges for serving. Hash instructions. Step 1. Prepare the fish. 1. Rinse the fish fillets under cold water, pat them dry with paper towels, and set them aside. 2. Season the fish with salt, pepper, and any other desired herbs or spices. Step 2. Prepare the breading station. 1. In a shallow dish, mix together the flour, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper, if using. 2. In a separate dish, beat the eggs. 3. In a third dish, place the panko breadcrumbs. Step 3. Dredge the fish. 1. Dredge each fish fillet in the flour mixture, coating both sides evenly. 2. Dip the floured fish in the beaten eggs, making sure to coat both sides completely. 3. Roll the egg-coated fish in the panko breadcrumbs, pressing the crumbs gently onto the fish to ensure they stick. Step 4. Fry the fish. 1. Heat about 1/2 inch, 1 centimeter, of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 2. Carefully place 2-3 breaded fish fillets in the hot oil. 3. Fry the fish for 3-4 minutes on each side, or until it's golden brown and cooked through. 4. Repeat with the remaining fish fillets. Step 5. Drain and serve. 1. Remove the fried fish from the oil with a slotted spoon and place it on a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. 2. Serve the fried fish hot with lemon wedges on the side. Hash tips and variations. For extra crispy coating, you can chill the breaded fish in the refrigerator for 30 minutes before frying. To make the recipe more substantial, serve the fried fish with your favorite sides, such as fries, coleslaw, or hush puppies. Experiment with different seasonings in the flour mixture, such as dried herbs, grated cheese, or spices, to give the fish a unique flavor.
देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। शफात फूडी व्लॉगर्स। अधिक रेसिपी वीडियो के लिए सब्सक्राइब करना और सूचना घंटी दबाना न भूलें।